It's very easy in our work to just keep doing things the same way that we've always done them. The problem with this is it's hard then to improve on what we do. If we just keep doing things the same way, we're going to get the same result each time. It's good to step back and look at how we can make our work simple. And there are 5 ways of making work simple. I'll walk you through them now. The first one is to completely eliminate something. This could be eliminating a task that is just not necessary anymore. Maybe it was important to do beforehand, but now it's just not that important. It could be eliminating steps in a process. Again, they may have been important to do earlier, but now they just don't have the same impact. So to eliminate. The second one is to aggregate. This is particularly important if you've got things in multiple sources. It could be data across multiple systems. If you can bring them within the one system and aggregate them together, you will save time from having to be copying and pasting data across and wasting lots of time doing manual work that way. The third thing that you can do is to integrate systems together as well and integrate parts of the workflow. This is really useful when you do have multiple systems that they need to be separated, and it's impossible to get everything just into one system completely, or very hard to do. So if you can integrate the systems, they will then talk to each other and help to save time, particularly if there's a direct integration. There are also tools that can be third-party integration tools that help to connect separate tools that don't have that direct integration as well. The fourth thing you can do is to automate. Now, automation is scary for some people, and other people are ready to embrace it right away. A lot of this has to do with the ability within a system. Some systems have a lot of opportunities for automations, and typically that works by having a trigger, so something that is going to ping and set off the alert for then the action to take place. So triggers and actions. There are also some third-party tools that can help to automate your work as well. And then the fifth way of making work simple is to delegate. Now, often this requires quite a lot of time. When you're delegating, you need to trust the person who you're passing the work onto. You need to make sure that they know what they're doing and that they're going to achieve it in the right way, and they have all those skills to do it. So that can be hard. It doesn't always work, but if it's done well, if it's handed over well, if it's done with the right person, then delegation can be a very effective method. So they're the 5 ways to eliminate, aggregate, integrate, automate, and delegate. Please reach out to us to discover how we can help you to make work simple.